Hey folks, you guys have an AC freon leak. You want to know where it is? It used to be where you would have to get like a special tool to sniff the freon, whatever brand it is, whether it's R12 134 or that new stuff Y1234 stuff. But you know what's a nice easy way to do it? Unfortunately, you still have to spend some freon because this is DIY stuff. So you need to put the proper amount of freon in, all right? And then you go around and you use soapy water. Okay, so what I did was I got little dish washing fluid in here, and what I did was I sprayed around all the lines and everything, and start the car up. And I'm looking for bubbles. Okay, I'm gonna start it up. So once you start it up, you spray it around with all your soapy water. I put it in this nice little automatic feeder that I have. And you look around and you will see that there will be a little spot there bubbling up. See it? Right there. Okay? I got soap on my finger. Alright? So that's where my little freon leak is. Let me see if I can catch it from down here. Here's here. There it is. You see it? Looks like something hit it or nicked it. So this thing needs a condenser. Alright? You see it? That is where your leak is. Alright? So like I said, soapy water. I sprayed it all the way around. All my little lines, my little caps, my fittings. I did it with the cap off only because then, just in case, sometimes that little straighter valve could be leaking too. Alright, sprayed the valves in the back. The hoses, follow the hoses. Follow it all the way down to the bottom to the compressor over there. Okay, you want to spray in there too. And you will find a leak when it bubbles up. Alright, so let's go double back down there. Shoot some of this up in there. You're going to see it. A little spot right there. Sticks out like a sore thumb, right? Let's go down here. There it is. Right there. You see the fin is even bent a little bit. Alright. That's it. Condenser time. Thanks for watching. Ciao.